But first, a major Central Florida healthcare system issues a deadline for its employees to get vaccinated or get suspended. AdventHealth employs 36,000 people in Central Florida. Good evening, I'm Lisa Bell.
I'm Ginger Gadsden. Right now, 74% of those employees are already vaccinated. A letter to employees lists a timeline. They have until December 1st to submit an exemption request. On December 6th, employees must prove they've received at least their first shot or face suspension. A second shot of Pfizer or Moderna must be taken on or before January 4th. News 6's Nikki Zizaza is live in the newsroom tonight. And Nikki, the mandate comes just as state lawmakers fight to limit vaccine mandates.
Yes, ladies, AdventHealth employees have been notified of their company's decision to comply with the federal vaccine mandate, despite proposed state legislation rejecting mandates. And we spoke to a local lawmaker concerned it's on track to becoming law.
This puts our healthcare providers in an impossible position.
On the same day, state lawmakers blocked an amendment to eliminate hospitals and healthcare providers from a proposed ban on vaccine mandates. AdventHealth sent this notice to employees, spelling out key deadlines to be fully vaccinated. The letter saying, in quote, "As we make plans to comply with the federal mandate, like all other healthcare companies that participate in the Medicare and Medicaid programs, we are required to follow the vaccine rule."
Federal law requires them to vaccinate their frontline healthcare workers or face funding cuts or loss of funding from Medicare and Medicaid. And then the state is telling them that they cannot require vaccination.
The amendment, presented by Representative Carlos Guillermo Smith, was rejected in a 78-40 vote during Tuesday's special session.
Unfortunately, Republican lawmakers in the majority in Tallahassee rejected our attempt to carve out healthcare providers. And so the uncertainty remains. They're darned if they do, darned if they don't.
Under the proposed legislation, companies would be prohibited from employee vaccine requirements, conflicting with federal vaccine requirements, which calls for healthcare providers to be fully vaccinated by January 4th. AdventHealth providing this statement to News 6, saying in part, "Our intent is to comply with the federal mandate, and we are closely monitoring legal challenges that may impact our compliance."
No matter what these healthcare providers do, if this new state law passes, they are either in conflict with federal law or state law. So they have to decide which one they're going to follow.
Now, the only two available exemptions per federal mandate is a medical or religious exemption. Now, again, AdventHealth says team members who do not get their first dose of the vaccine by December 6th could be subject to suspension. Live in the newsroom, Nikki Zizaza, Getting Results, News 6.
Nikki, thank you.